screen is visible? Please unmute yourself and response.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Thank you. So suppose this is the linked list, single linked list. Okay. This is the single linked list. So 1 through 4, there are 4 nodes. Okay. Now a delete, now a deletion, now a deletion can be done from either beginning or end or from any specified location, that is either before or after a given node. Okay. So if you are asked to delete the first node, you are asked to delete the first node, what should we do? Delete from the beginning? What will be the logic to delete the first node? Any idea? Kishan?
Sir, we will point the starting to the second node.
So this starting node should now point to the next node. Okay. So first of all, we have to copy the starting node in a temporary variable ptr. Okay. Deletion means you have to free the allocated space. When you are creating the first node, you have to use the malloc function. You are going to use the malloc function so that dynamically new node is created. Now when you are deleting the first node, you have to delete the first node, that is you have to free the allocated space. That's why you have to apply the free function, free ptr. Okay. So first you have to copy this s in the ptr temporary pointer. Your second operation will be, so first operation is the copy this s into the ptr, and second operation is the copy the start to the next node. Okay. Then only you can delete the first node. So this is the logic. Okay. So struct node. If you have any queries, please clarify your queries. So struct node, let the function name is delete beginning. Okay. And struct node, your return value is the start or argument function. Now we have to delete the first node. So you have to copy this first node in a temporary pointer, right? So this is your temporary pointer, struct node. Okay. Next, you have to copy this start to the pointer, right? Next, your start should point to the next node. So start is equal to start arrow next, and then free the temporary location, temporary pointer, free ptr, and finally return start. So this is the function for deletion. So first operation, what is the first operation? Your first operation is to copy the start to the temporary pointer. Okay. Next one is the advance your start pointer to the next node, and delete finally delete the temporary pointer, so that the allocated space is now freed. Okay, so delete, this is the function for delete beginning. Now what will be the condition for delete end? What will be the condition for delete end? Any idea?
Sir, we will just have to traverse it till we find the null
Till we find
and
the
then
null, that
delete
means
it.
we have to proceed up to the last node. So delete end. Okay. So delete end. You have to delete. You have to delete the last one. Okay. You have to delete the last one. So how to delete? You have to proceed from first to last. Okay. So there will be, for traverse, you have to use the temporary pointer, either temp or ptr. Okay. Now finally first first operation is made this as null. So pre-ptr or ptr previous is made null. Okay, ptr previous is made null, and finally free this ptr, right? So delete end. So delete end. So this is ptr, and if you are using two pointers, you can use one pointer also, pre ptr. So ptr is equal to start. Okay, so ptr is equal to start, and while while your ptr arrow next, while your ptr arrow next not is equal to null, then ptr is equal to ptr arrow next. Okay, that this is the first line. What will be the first line? Ptr. Ptr is equal to ptr. Ptr is equal to ptr and advance, and advance your pointer. Okay, next what will be the next line after completion of this while loop? What will be the next line? So this is your pre ptr. Okay, pre, this is your pre ptr, right? So every time you have to copy this pre ptr, sorry, you have to copy this ptr into the pre ptr. Okay, now ptr next, ptr next is equal to null. Okay, then free ptr and return start. You can modify your program as ptr previous. Okay, ptr previous. Okay, pre-ptr next is equal to null. We are using here two pointers, and pre-ptr next is null, made null. So this is your last node. So this is the function for deletion from end. Okay, delete the last element for any specified location. What will be the code for any specified location? Any idea?
Sir, it would depend if we need a position based or a key based.
Key based. Key based.
Sir,
Value.
if it's value based, then we have to use a search algorithm to find the pointer which points to that value. Then we have to link the next pointers to the correct pointers, and then delete the set pointer which was stored in a previous pointer.
Suppose the list, initially the list was 1. Initially the list was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now delete the value. You are asked delete the value after 2. After 2. Delete the value after 2. So you have to delete this value. So first cross this connection. Okay. And cross this connection and make a connection from 2 to 4. Okay. So struct node let delete after. So delete after. Now let printf enter the value after which we are interested for deletion. Okay. Let the value is val. Here the value of val is 3. Okay. Sorry. So val and there will be int val. Okay. So PTR is start, and initially your PTR, pre-PTR both are at same position. So here also pre-PTR is equal to PTR. Similarly, we can write pre-PTR. So initially start is copied to PTR and PTR is copied to pre-PTR. So initially PTR, pre-PTR and start are at the same position. Okay. Now you have to delete after these two. You have to delete after these two. So this will be your pre-PTR. Let the pre-PTR is denoted as PP and P will be denoted as PTR is denoted as P. Okay. So this will be pre-PTR. While pre-PTR, this will be next. This will be data. So data. While pre-PTR data not is equal to your value. Okay. So you have to copy every times at every step and advance the PTR, right? Now, how should we manipulate this line? Before the free PTR, what will be the appropriate code, appropriate line? কি হবে বলো তো? Anyone? Any idea? Muskan. Muskan. What will be the appropriate code? No idea, sir. So you have to delete these three. That is after the pre-pointer. So this node is 2 that is pre-pointer, pre-PTR, PP, and this is the P. You have to delete this pointer P. That is, you have to make a connection from the next part of the pre-PTR, next part of the pre-PTR to the this node. What is this? Last node. So this is your PTR next. So made a connection pre-PTR, PPTR, sorry, PPTR, PPTR arrow next. So second position of 2 is now connected to the 4. That is second position of the 3. So PTR arrow next. Okay. So this is the line. Pre-PTR next is PTR next. Then free PTR. So this is the function for delete after. So this is after. Could you please suggest me what will be the changes for before a given node? Any idea? Before a given node?
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে
হ্যাঁ
স্যার এখানে while pre-ptr data not equals to value এটা করা হলো কেন?
আমি তো বললাম 2 এর পরে ডিলিট করতে। তা তুমি ফার্স্টে ইনিশিয়ালি your p pp and s both are pointing to the first position. Okay, then every time you have to proceed this p, and every time you have to copy this p. So if your p is now so if your pp initially pp, s and p are at same position, then first you have to advance this p and copy this p into pp. Again you are advancing your p here, so this will be your new pp. Okay, again this is your p, so this is your pp. So pp is just one node backward from the pointer ptr. So pre-ptr here, while the pre-ptr data, this is after, you have to delete after a given node. So what will be the logic? So pre-ptr data not is equal to your value 2. Here the value is delete after. Here in your example, the value of val is equal to 2. Here the value of val is 2. Okay. So delete, or while your pre-ptr data not is equal to value, that is not is equal to 2, then you have to copy the ptr to the pre-ptr and advance the ptr. Okay, and finally when you are at this position, so this position is pp, so obviously p will be this one. So you are asked to delete this p only, that is delete after. So make a connection from this pp next to the p next. Is it clear to you?
Yes sir, clear.
Okay. Then what will be the changes for before? This is the code for after. What will be the change for before? Delete a node before. Any idea? Initially PTR is start and pre-PTR, PTR and start are at the same node. Okay, then you have to change only this condition. So PTR arrow data not is equal to val and pre-PTR is equal to PTR and PTR is PTR next. And finally PTR arrow next is equal to, sorry, pre-PTR arrow next is PTR arrow next. So only there will be only one change. This pre-PTR will be PTR. Okay, is it clear to you? Or any Megha, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this before is your homework. Okay. Now how to sort? This is the homework and merge to SLLs. These are your assignments, homeworks. Okay. So SLL complete. Single linked list. Any doubts regarding single linked list? Then we will go for the circular linked list. Please ask me if you have any doubts regarding the
Sir, this homework which you have given, that is in addition to the Moodle one.
addition in Moodle 1. Moodle के छिलो ना এইগুলো shorting?
सर उसमें और भी बहुत सारा है, तो वो भी करना है और ये भी करना है ना?
Moodle की छिलो बोलो तो?
सर उसमें सब कुछ है, insertion, deletion, merging, sorting.
Yes, you have to do all these functions. You have to perform all these functions. That is, first you have to create first one create. So create, traverse and print the values in the SLL. Then you have to search a particular value in the SLL, searching in SLL. Okay. Next, insertion at beginning, insertion at beginning, insertion at end, insertion at any specified location, either before or after. And this is now your deletion. So delete from beginning, from end, before a specified node and after a specified node. Then short a single linked list and merge to single linked list. So these are your assignments. Okay.
Sir, merge has the merge linked list has to be sorted.
Not necessary. Not necessary. Just merge to linked list and print the value. Okay. Is it fine? Then we will go for circular linked list. Any queries? সার্কুলারে যাব এবার? Kishan, yes sir. Okay. Circular linked list. So what is circular linked list? Do you have any idea about circular linked list?
So the last node will point to the first node.
So the last node will point to the first node. Very good. So that's why this is called the circular. Let this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is let start. So 1 is pointing to the second node. Second node's next pointer is now pointing to the third node. Third node's next pointer pointing to the last node. And last node's pointer, next part, is pointing to the first node. So this is the concept of circular linked list. Okay. This is the concept behind circular linked list. Now, in circular linked list, we have to first create, insert. The operations are same at beginning, at end, at any specified location. Okay. Similarly, a deletion, what will be the deletion? So first one is the from beginning, from end, from any specified location. These are the basic operations in circular linked list. You have to do these operations as your assignments. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in a circular linked list, how will we identify which is the starting node and the ending node?
Which will be starting node and the ending node. Very good question. Any idea how to identify the how to identify the uh, start node and head node? So this first node, as this is the circular, the node, the starting pointer points to the first node. So this head pointer or start pointer points to which node? That node is identified as the beginning, first node, starting node. Okay. And in case of circular link, in case of single link list, in case of single link list, what will be the condition for last node, for reaching at the last node? What is the condition? The condition is that while your ptr, we are taking a temporary variable ptr, while your ptr arrow next not is equal to null. Okay. But in case of circular linked list, as the last node's next pointer is pointing to the start node, that is the first node, so there the condition will be while ptr arrow next not is equal to start instead of null. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first you have to create this first one. এটা কি লিখতে হবে, ক্রিয়েট না পারবে? Can you create this can you create the linked list? Please unmute yourself and reply. So create is your homework. Okay. So insert. So insert at beginning. So insert at beginning. So first of all, so this is the list 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the list. Notes from circular linked list. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let there is another node. There is another node 5. Okay. We have to insert this 5 just before the starting node so that your list looks like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So how to insert? So let struct node function is insert beginning. Okay. One argument. So this will be your start. So we have to dynamically allocate the new node, right? We have to dynamically allocate the new node. So new node. I have to declare first struct node. Then enter your data. And in our example, the data is 5. Enter your data. So we have to use scanf and %d and %n. So we have to declare this n. So int n. Okay. Now insertion. How to insert? Any idea? How to insert? Megha? How to insert this 5? Just beginning of the list? Any idea? So you have to dynamically create this new node. We have to dynamically create this new node. So that's why we have to dynamically create this node. So new node is, so how to create dynamically? Using malloc. So struct. So first one is the typecast. So struct node. And second one is the byte size. So using size of operator, size of, and what is the node structure? struct, struct node. Then here the value of n is what is the value of n? Here the value of n is 5 in our example. So insert this value at the data part of the new node. We are inserting the 5 at the data part of the new node, right? Now, what will be the logic for insertion? This newly created node, which contains 5 as the data part, in front of the start. What will be the logic? Screen ki visible হচ্ছে না? Is it visible? Muskan, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Muskan no বলছে। কিষান স্ক্রিন দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
Yes, sir, visible.
মুস্কান বলছে আই ডোন্ট নো ওয়াই। কেন? Okay, maybe network problem. So Kishan, how to insert this 5? How to insert this 5 just before the first node? Insertion.
Sir, we point the starting to this 5 node, this new node, and we point the next of no. First, we point the next of this new node to the starting.
Okay. So what
And
will be your excellent? So what will be your first? What will be your first operation? So point this next part of the new node. So this is your first operation, right? So this is your first operation.
yes, sir.
Okay. What will be your second operation?
So then we point the starting to the no, sir. Then we point the next of the last node to this new node.
Very good. Very good. So next part of the last node, as this is the circular. So next part of the last node is now pointing to the new node. So this is your second operation. Anything else, Kishan?
Yes, sir. And then we update the start to this new node because
Yes,
we are inserting
yes,
it.
yes, yes. So cross this S, and S is now pointing to the first node. So start is equal to new node. So your value here n is in your example n is 5. Okay. Now enter your data and the newly created node, and the 5 is inserted at the data part. Okay, very good. Now what is your first operation, Kishan? New node, new node, sorry, new node next.
New node next equal to start.
New node next is equal to start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what will be your second operation?
Sir, we will need to traverse to the last node.
Yes, yes. So while your PTR, so we have to declare this temporary pointer. We have to declare the temporary pointer. So temporary pointer is PTR. Okay. This temporary pointer is declared here. Now while your PTR arrow, PTR arrow next, while your PTR arrow next, not is equal to which one?
Start.
Yes. So not is equal to start. While your PTR next not is equal to start. So you have to proceed. So PTR is equal to PTR arrow next, right?
Yes, sir.
So after completion of this while loop, you are at the last node.
Yes, sir.
So this is your first operation. This is your first operation. So this is your first operation. Next part of the new node is pointing to the start. Okay. So what will be your second operation? Your PTR
PTR next equal to new node.
PTR next is equal to new node. So this is your second operation. So this is your second operation. Okay. Now what will be the third operation?
Start equal to new node.
Start is equal to new node. Very good. Start is equal to new node. So this is your third
And then return start.
operation. So this is your third operation, first operation through third operation, and finally return. Return start. Up to this, any problem? If you have any problem, please ask me. So insert at beginning in CLL. So your new node now becomes new list now becomes 5 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 4. Any doubts? Pankaj 9070. Pankaj,
Yes, sir.
is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then could you please tell me how to insert at the end? Let the node is 6. How to insert at the end so that this looks like 5 1 2 3 4 and 6. How to insert at the 6?
First, we have to use a while loop and find 4.
Okay, 4. So you have to use the temporary pointer PTR
PTR.
which points to the last node 4. Okay. Then
Yes, sir. Then we have to create a new node and do.
insert the value
Yes,
in the data part of the new node. Then
yes, sir. Then we have to link the PTR next equal to new node.
so once again PTR next is equal to new node. So this is your first operation. PTR
Yes,
next
sir.
is new node. And
Then new node next equal to start.
so new node next. Now new node next equals to start. So this is your second operation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your after the completion of the code, your list looks like 5 1 2 3 4 6, and
Yes, sir.
your S is pointing to the start
5.
node 5. Okay. So how to modify this code? Copy. So insert end. Okay. Here your in value is 6. Okay. The new node is dynamically created. Here the new node is dynamically created and the 6 is inserted at the data part of the new node. Now, while PTR next not is equal to start, after completion of this while loop, you are at the last node. Then delete these ones. So first operation, what is the first operation? First operation is the next part of the PTR. So PTR next. So PTR next is new node. PTR next is new node. Okay. What will be the second one? As this
New
is a
node
circular, so
next
new node next.
equal to
So new node
start.
is equal to start. Okay. So this is your first operation. Just copy. So this is your first operation and this is your second operation. Okay. Is it clear to you? First operation and second operation, Megha. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your new node, new list is now looks like 5 1 2 3 4 6. Now let insert between 2 and 3. Let the value is 7. So insert this node in between 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 there will be 7. Okay. So there will be 7. How to insert in between 2 and 3? Parag.
Yes, sir.
কিভাবে ইনসার্ট করব? in between 2 and 3. Let after 2. After 2. How to insert after 2? Any idea, Parak?
স্যার আফটার টু মানে প্রথমে দুইকে মানে টু এর পাশে যেতে হবে, তারপরে একটা
So
নতুন
that's why
নোট
you have
ক্রিয়েট
to.
করতে হবে।
So node is created using malloc function, and the data using scanf, the data is inserted at the data part of the newly created node. That's all. Now you have to reach up to the PTR, right? Let
Yes,
this
sir.
is pre-PTR. Let this is pre-PTR or PTR previous, and this is your PTR. If you are using 2 pointers, okay? So while your pre-PTR data is equal to 2, that is value, then কি করব? Or you can simply use the pre-PTR or any one pointer. Let this is PTR. Just delete this one. This one also. Let this is PTR. এবার কি করব?
PTR next new node.
PTR
Sir.
next is equal to new node. So PTR next is equal to new node. So this is your first operation. PTR next is new node. So we break this connection, and PTR next is new node. And then
New node next
is
মানে থ্রি কে পয়েন্ট করতে হবে এরপরে।
so this will be না এখানে দুটো পয়েন্টার ইউজ করতে হবে, 2 pointers. PTR, this will be your PTR. So and this will be your pre-PTR. So pre-PTR next is new node, and new node next is PTR.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
স্যার একটা দিয়েও তো হতে পারে।
কিভাবে করবে বলো তো?
স্যার একবার
হবে।
স্যার পিটিআর ফার্স্টে আমরা করব হচ্ছে পিটিআর নেক্সট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু কি বলে ওটাকে, হ্যাঁ ফার্স্টে আমরা করব যে টেম্প না এক মিনিট
হ্যাঁ করো,
হ্যাঁ একটু দাঁড়ান, হ্যাঁ স্যার আমরা ফার্স্টে করব যে টেম্প নেক্সট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু পিটিআর নেক্সট। ফার্স্টে
টেম্প নেক্সট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু
পিটিআর নেক্সট, তাহলে স্যার 3 এর সাথে টেম্পের কানেকশনটা হবে, দেন আমরা করব হচ্ছে পিটিআর নেক্সট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু টেম্প।
পিটিআর নেক্সট টু টেম্প,
এটা আমার মনে হলো আর কি, তাই বললাম।
না তুমি এরকম না করে এটাও করতে পারো। পিটিআর, লেট দিস ইজ ইওর পিটিআর, ওকে? দিস ইজ ইওর পিটিআর। So you have to insert between 2 and 3. So this will be your PTR previous, but here only one pointer is used. Previous is not used.
স্যার আমারটাই হবে না
কিভাবে
যেটা
হবে
বললাম?
আরেকবার বলো তো।
টেম্প নেক্সট
টেম্প হচ্ছে তোমার পিটিআর
না, টেম্প হচ্ছে ওই 7টা, মানে যেটা ইনসার্ট করব।
এটাকে নিউ নোড বলো।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তো মানে নিউ
নিউ নোড
নেক্সট ইকুয়ালস টু পিটিআর নেক্সট।
নিউ নোড নেক্সট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু পিটিআর নেক্সট। পিটিআর কোথায় তোমার?
পিটিআর হচ্ছে 2টা।
টু হচ্ছে পিটিআর,
হ্যাঁ
তাহলে তো এই কানেকশনটাকে বোঝাচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ, তো ফার্স্টে মানে
এই কানেকশনটা তো হবে না।
কোনটাকে বোঝাচ্ছে? মানে ফার্স্টে 7 আর
নিউ
3 কে
নোড
করবো
নেক্সট।
কানেক্ট, দেন 2 আর 7 কে, বুঝলেন?
হ্যাঁ আমি সেটা বুঝেছি,
হুম
এটা বুঝতে পেরেছি। তুমি যদি সেভেনের নেক্সট নিউ নোড
হুম
নেক্সট ইজ কানেক্টেড টু ইয়োর
2 এর নেক্সট, বুঝলেন?
টুটা কি?
2 হচ্ছে ওই মানে
পিটিআর প্রিভিয়াস।
পিটিআরটাই তো 2।
পিটিআরটা তো টু বলছো, তুমি পিটিআর টু বলছো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
সো অ্যাকর্ডিং টু ইউ দিস ইজ ইয়োর পিটিআর।
হুম, 2টা হচ্ছে পিটিআর বলছি, আর 7 কে বলছি টেম্প, ঠিক আছে?
করো তাহলে টেম্প, এটা সেভেনটা হচ্ছে তোমার টেম্প, ওকে।
হ্যাঁ, তো এবার টেম্প নেক্সট ইকুয়ালস টু পিটিআর নেক্সট, দেন হচ্ছে পিটিআর নেক্সট ইকুয়ালস টু টেম্প।
না না হবে না।
হবে না?
না, কেন হবে? অ্যাকর্ডিং টু ইউ তুমি কি বলছো? পিটিআর টেম্প নেক্সট, ফার্স্টে কি বলে টেম্প নেক্সট
হ্যাঁ,
ইজ ইকুয়াল টু
পিটিআর নেক্সট মানে 7 আর 3 এর সাথে হলো। না না না,
সেভেন আর থ্রি এর সাথে কেন হবে? এটা তো পিটিআর নেক্সট দিস ইজ।
सर पीटीआर नेक्स्ट तो 3 है ना, थर्ड वाला
हाँ,
मतलब
सर।
उसके बाद वाला नोड
PTR
पीटीआर नेक्स्ट है।
7 আর 3
टेम्प
হবে স্যার।
टेम्प नेक्स्ट तो 3 पे ही पॉइंट करेगा सर,
হ্যাঁ।
और फिर पीटीआर नेक्स्ट को टेम्प पे कर देंगे, सही तो है।
হুম
আচ্ছা এটা অধিরাজ বলছে তো?
হুম হুম,
এটা কোডটা করে আমাকে ক্লাসের পরে একবার পাঠাও তো,
ঠিক আছে স্যার, পাঠিয়ে দেবো।
কোডটা করে, ঠিক আছে?
হুম
সিঙ্গেল
হুম,
পয়েন্ট।
ঠিক আছে।
আমি দুটো পয়েন্টার দিয়ে দেখালাম যে প্রিপিটিআর ইজ ওয়ান, প্রিপিটিআর ইজ ওয়ান, and this is your PTR, okay? So after a given node, so the given node is treated as pre-PTR. Then first condition is that pre-PTR next is pointing to pre-PTR next is new node. So pre-PTR next is new node. So this connection is established. Then new node next is PTR. So this connection is established. Okay. So this is one technique. But অধিরাজ যেভাবে বলছে সেভাবে ও করে চেষ্টা ট্রাই করে দেখুক, ঠিক আছে? So these are the operations for insert at any specified location. Insert at any specified location, that is you can insert either, both are same, before or after. Before or after. So insert, this is your assignments, homework. Do yourself. Now delete. How to delete the beginning? How to delete the first one? So 5. How to delete the first one? Any idea how to delete the first one? Kishan? How to
Yes,
delete the
sir.
first one? 5.
Sir, we need to first make start to start.next. No, sir. First
Copy.
we need to go to the last element.
First, we need to copy the start.
Yes, sir. Yes, that can also be done.
So
Sir, we
first
need-
one, so your first operation is copy the start to a temporary variable PTR. Okay. Then as this is the circular, you have to traverse up to the last one, last node.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then last node's next part is pointing to the
Start.next.
yes, start dot next, start arrow next. Okay. Then free the PTR. Okay.
No, sir. Sir, PTR to is the last element, na? So
Oh,
how
sorry,
can
sorry.
it be?
Free start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And your second node, that is 1, is made start. So
Yes.
PTR, so start is equal to PTR arrow next.
Yes, sir.
So delete from beginning. So delete from beginning. So here struct node delete. Delete beginning. Start. Dark node. So this is small. So delete the. So you have to traverse up to the last one. Okay. So for traversing, dark node. For traversing this, we use this one. So PTR. At PTR is equal to start and copy. Sorry, and traverse. So PTR arrow next. PTR arrow next. Not is equal to, as this is the CLL. So start, not null. So proceed. PTR is equal to PTR arrow next, right? Now PTR, so you are at the last one. As this is the CLL, so PTR arrow next. So PTR arrow next is equal to which one? Start arrow next. Is it clear to you? Start arrow next. And finally, free your start. And what will be your new start? PTR arrow next. And finally, return start. Is there any problem? How to delete the start node? Is it clear to you? Promita 9089. Promita? Is it clear? Mars 9094. Mars, please unmute yourself. 9094. Krishnakash 9063. কৃষ্ণাকাশ কি করছে কৃষ্ণাকাশ? So how to delete from the end? Any idea how to delete from the end? Kishan, how to delete from the end?
Sir, can you show the figure?
6. So delete this one. 6.
Okay, so sir, what is the list now? 1, 2,
1
7,
2
3,
7
4, 6.
1 2 7 3 4 6. This is the list.
Okay.
Now you have to delete this one.
So sir, we will need 2 pointers, PTR and pre-PTR.
Okay.
Sir, like we did previously, we will go till PTR points to 6 and pre-PTR points to the one before that.
Okay.
And then we will point PTR dot next equal to pre-PTR dot next. Or we can directly do PTR dot next equal to start. And we can, sorry, pre-PTR dot next equal to start.
So
And
next
we
part
can
of the next part of the 4, next part of the 4 is pointing to the 1.
start. Yes, sir. 1.
Okay.
And then we can free 6 PTR.
Repeat here. So delete from end. So delete from end. So there will be another pointer. PTR. Okay. And while your PTR not is equal to next, while your PTR not is equal to next, first line, what is the first line? The first line will be copy.
Yes, sir.
PTR. Pre-PTR is equal to PTR. And then PTR is equal to PTR next, advance. So this will be your second line and close the bracket. Okay. Then pre-PTR arrow next is equal to PTR arrow next.
Equal to start.
PTR arrow next is equal to PTR arrow next. So
We
PTR
can
is the last one.
start also, sir.
Yes,
Correct.
yes, also. So PTR arrow next. As PTR is the last one. Then free.
PTR.
PTR. Free PTR and return the start. So this is the delete from end. Okay. Then delete after. What will be the code for delete after? You are asked to delete this 7 or in between any node, any specified location. How to delete this 7?
Sir, same. We will need to change the code we did last. We can modify a little bit.
So how to delete?
Sir, while PTR next not equal to
Value. While
Yes.
PTR next not is equal to value, then
So, sir, till then we will do
pre-PTR next. So pre-PTR next is equal to PTR next.
Yes, sir.
So how to delete this 7? How to delete this 7? So you have to delete this 7. Okay. So 7 is inserted. 7 is inserted between 2 and 3. And there is a connection between 2 and 7 and 7 and 3. So break this connection 2 and 7. Okay. So pre-PTR next is equal to PTR next. So PTR. So this one points to the pre-PTR and this 7 is now pointing to the PTR. So break this connection 2 and 7 and 3 and make a new connection from 2 to 3. So what is the connection? Pre-PTR next is equal to PTR next. So struct node. This is the delete delete suppose here delete
value.
sorry
We can write delete value or something.
delete value. Okay, delete value. Okay, delete value. Okay, then what will be the modifications?
PTR while PTR next not
So
equal
one
to
second, first you have to use the printf enter the value let after which we deletion. Okay, so this value will be, let this value is val. So scanf val. So there will be int. So int val. Okay. Now start ptr is equal to start, and while your pre-ptr Ishan, this will be pre-ptr na?
No, sir, it can be while PTR next not equal to value. Then it will be the same.
ptr next or ptr data.
Yes, sir. Sir, pre-PTR next or PTR data, anything.
So this will be ptr data. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can do PTR data or pre-PTR next. Anything will be.
So ptr data. So ptr data is value.
Yes.
So ptr data is value. Then
Sir, then now it should work.
ptr data not is equal to value. Pre-ptr is equal to ptr and advance, and finally pre-ptr next is equal to ptr. This will be pre-ptr na, pre-ptr data.
No, sir. For PTR data, na. When we find PTR, so sir, when PTR will point to 7, so
No,
pre-PTR will point to 2.
This will be pre-ptr. Why ptr?
Sir, when PTR will point to 7, pre-PTR will point to 2.
Yes.
So, sir, we need to delete 7. So, we will change the pre-PTR to, I mean, pre-PTR next equal to PTR next.
Okay. Yes, right. So ptr data not is equal to your value, that is here. Here the value is here in our example. Uh, sorry, value of val is 7. Is it clear to you? From any specified location. So this is the circular linked list. Up to this, any problem, please clarify. So we have completed the SLL and CLL. আচ্ছা কি ডাবলটা স্টার্ট করব? রিতম আছে এখানে? রিতম, না রিতম আজকে নেই, জয়েনই করেনি। এই তো রিতম আছে, রিতম 9071, রিতম। किसान की आज के कोड देबो डबल लिंक लिस्ट?
सर मेरे ख्याल से मत कराइए सर, ऐसे ही बहुत ज्यादा हो गया।
বাকিরা তো কেউ কিছু বলছে না। প্রমিতা নো, আজকে নো। দেখি আবার নেক্সট উইক।
यस सर।
এই তো রিতম, রিতম আনমিউট করো তো। রিতম, কি সবাই কি বলছে আজকে করতে না আর নেট প্রবলেম করছে আচ্ছা so up to this do you have any queries megha
No, sir.
should we start the dll megha
No, sir. No, sir. So we can start on the next class.
okay